Hello class, in this video we will be discussing lesson 2 of module 5. Ayan, area between two curves. So in this topic, ayan, ang i-discuss natin is how to get this area, the area between two functions or two curves. Ayan. So, meron tayong function of x at saka function of g of x. Ayan. And then we have to get the area between these two from a to b na limit. Okay? So, basically, ang general formula niya is function of x minus the function of g, or the difference between the two curves. Ayan. Okay, so meron tayong dalawang cases. Ang first case is kung gagawa tayo ng vertical, okay, vertical strip. So, vertical strip yung ganyan, 'di ba? Ayan. So, ang mangyayari dyan is dapat uh, your function, the upper function minus the lower function. Okay? So, y up, kasi 'di ba, this is a value of y. So, this is your y up, and then this is your y lower. Okay? So, this is the upper function and the lower function. So, that is how from A to B, limits A to B kung saan sila nag-intersect. Here to there. Okay? So, ang mangyari dyan is parang a series of vertical strips, y up minus y down. Ngayon, meron namang second case pala, is when we do the horizontal strip. Okay? Sa horizontal, basically, ang gamit natin is yung x, kasi this is the x function. So, we have to get the difference of the function, the right function minus the left. Okay? So, dahil ito ay x right, ito. This is x right and then x left. Okay. So, that is how you get it from limits C to D. So, this supposed to be, this is C to D. Ayan. Okay. Ganyan siya. So, ma'am, paano po namin malalaman kung vertical or horizontal strip ang gagamitin? Basta ang importante lang is, pag gumawa ka ng strip, ang matatouch niya dapat is yung isang function at saka yung isang function sa each side. Hindi pwede na magta-touch yung parehas na function. So, for example, ang function natin is let's say for example, ang function natin is parabola. For example, parabola. Ayan. Diba? So, kung halimbawa ganyan, and then pinapakuha yung area nito, for example, pinapakuha yung area nito, a parabola and a line, okay? A parabola and a line. Ang pwedeng strip lang dito, guys, is vertical. Bakit? Kasi kapag vertical yung strip natin, for sure, ang matatouch nung other end is yung line, and ang other end naman is the parabola. Pero, kapag horizontal strip, ang matatouch niya is the same function. So, hindi pwede. Magka-cancel lang siya. So, dapat, ang pwede lang dito is vertical. Okay? Kasi yung isang end is dun sa other function at saka yung isang end is sa other function. So, ganun nyo siya i-apply. Okay? So, let's proceed to answer example number 1. Sabi niya dito, find the area bounded by y is equals to 3x and y is equals to x squared. So, importante syempre, we have to graph the functions. So, ang y is equals to 3x. So, gawa tayo ng y tapos x. Okay. Gawa tayo ng graph. So, kung ang x natin ay 0, okay, ang y natin is 3 times 0, y is equals to 3x, diba? So, 0 din to. Okay? Kung ang x natin ay 1, ang y natin ay 3. Kung ang x natin ay 2, ang y natin ay 6. Kung ang x natin ay 3, ang y natin is 9. So, technically, kung 0 to, and then x is 1, this is 3. 1, 2, 3. And then, pag 2, 1, 2, 3. So, technically, line siya. Okay? Ayan. So, line siya. And then, ang y is equals to x squared is a parabola opening upwards na ang axis niya ay nasa 0. Okay? 3, tapos this is 9, 6, 1, 2, 3. Ay, yan. Okay. Now, paano natin malalaman kung saan sila magi-intersect? So, syempre, parehas na y yan, equate lang natin 3x is equals to x squared. Okay? Cancel yung isang x, magiging x is equals to 3. At kapag 3, 9 yon. So, this is 3, 9. Diyan sila nag-intersect. Find the area bounded. So, ang hinahanap is this area. Etong area na to. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin dyan? Pwede ba tayong mag-vertical or horizontal? Okay, pwede tayong mag-vertical. So, pag nag-vertical tayo dito, okay, ayan siya. Okay? Ang i-apply natin na formula is from A to B, y up minus y lower dx. Okay? Ito yung dx, yung thickness. Okay? So, ang limits natin is, of course, dito, 0, A is equals to 0 hanggang 3, diba? 0 to 3. Tandaan nyo guys, na pag dx to, ang limits nyo dapat ay x. Okay? X value. Okay, so 0 to 3, ang y up natin is, ang y up natin, itong formula na to ay 3x. Ito, diba? Itong function na to ay 3x. Yan yung y up natin. So, that is 3x minus yung y down natin or y lower is the x squared or the parabola. Okay? Dx. So, evaluate na natin siya. A is equals to, from 0 to 3, 3x minus x squared dx. This is 3x squared over 2 minus x cubed over 3, evaluating from 0 to 3. Okay? And then substitute natin siya. 'Di ba? Substitute muna yung upper limit. 3 squared over 2 minus 3 cubed over 3 minus, pag sinubstitute natin to ng 0, 0 yan lahat. So, kuha tayo ng calcu. Ayan. So, 3 squared over 2 minus 3 cube over 3 ay equivalent sa 9 halves. Okay. So, ang area natin dito is 9 halves square units. So, that is our final answer. Okay? So, that is how you answer area between two curves. So, let's proceed sa example number 2. So, sa example number 2, syempre importante, we have to plot the function. Okay? Ang y squared is equals to x, of course, is a parabola opening rightward. Okay? Parabola opening rightward. Ayan. And then, ang y squared equals 2 minus x is a parabola opening left. Okay? Kasi negative yung x niya. Okay? At ang vertices niya is nasa, hanapin natin yung vertex niya. So, if y is equals to 0, ang x natin ay 2. So, ito. Andito yung vert. Ayan. Opening left. Ayan. So, this is 1. This is 2, 0. This is 0, 0. Okay. So, ang hinahanap na area natin is this one. Okay. O, dito na natin malalaman. Pwede ba tayong mag-vertical strip? No, kasi pwede dito ay pag nag-vertical strip tayo dito, magta-touch yung parehas na function. Pag nag-vertical strip tayo dito, magta-touch yung parehas na function. So, hindi pwede magka-cancel out. So, ang pwede lang dito is horizontal strip. Okay? So, mag-horizontal strip tayo. Okay. So, pag nag-horizontal strip tayo, ang formula na gagamitin natin is A is equals to limits from A to B, x right minus x left dy. Okay? Ang limits natin is of course from 0. Okay. Ang limits natin dahil dy to is y value. So, ito at saka ito. Dapat. So, paano natin malalaman kung ano yan? Siyempre, tingnan natin kung saan sila mag-i-intersect. Equate natin yung dalawa. Y squared pareha. So, x is equals to 2 minus x. Okay? So, lipat natin. 2x is equals to 2. Okay? So, x is equals to 1. Okay? So, dyan sila nag-i-intersect. 1, 1. Okay. Tama ba? X, 2 minus x. Okay. Ayan. So, nag-i-intersect sila sa 1. Okay. Sorry. Sa 1. Okay. Nag-intersect sila sa 1. So, tingnan natin yung y values niya. So, y squared is equals to 1. So, y is equals to square root of 1. Or y is equals to positive and negative 1. So, nag-intersect sila sa kung x is 1, meron kang positive 1 at x1 is equals to negative 1y. Okay? So, ang limits natin is from negative 1 to 1. So, ang area natin here is equivalent sa negative 1 to 1. Ang x right natin is this one, which is 2 minus x. Okay, 2 minus x. Pero ang kunin natin ng value is x. So, kunin natin yung value ng x. Y squared is equals to 2 minus x. X is equals to 2 minus y squared. Okay. So, 2 minus y squared. And then, yung x left natin is this one, which is y squared is equals to x minus y squared. Okay. Dx. Ay, dy pala. Sorry. dy. dy. Ay, sorry. dy. Okay. Now, simplify pa natin. Area is equals to negative 1 to 1. 2 minus y squared minus y squared. That is equivalent to 2 minus 2y squared dy. Okay. So, integrate na natin. A is equals to 2y minus 2y cubed over 3, evaluating from negative 1 to 1. So, pag in-evaluate natin sila, this is 2 times 1 minus 2, 1 cubed over 3, minus 2, negative 1, minus 2, negative 1 cube over 3. So this is 2 times 1 minus 2 times 1 cube over, oops, cube over 3. This is 4 thirds minus, palitan lang natin ng negative 1 yung nasa parenthesis. Ayan. Negative 4 over 3. So, pag sinimplify natin siya, 4 thirds. Negative negative is positive. Okay, 4 thirds. So, this is equal to 8 over 3 square units. So, that is how you answer the area between two curves sa example number 2. Okay? So, thank you very much for watching.